Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I have an unboxing today. So this is an item that I purchased because I'm going on actually a trip this Thanksgiving weekend, and because of the nature of my trip, I'm going to be going through 3 different states between where I live and up to another state, and I'm actually going to be carrying my licensed firearm with me. And because I'm going to be traveling to the different states, I just want to make sure that I'm traveling with my firearm in the correct and legal manner. Because God forbid I get stopped, I don't want to have to deal with any type of legalities of any sort, obviously. So I just want to make sure I'm doing it right. So I bought, if I can get the box open, this item, which is a travel safe for my trip. So I bought the down box in a size, I believe, extra large, in steel and black. No, actually I thought I ordered a large, but let's see. So this is the travel safe. Again, I thought I ordered a large. I hope I did. I don't think I need the extra large because it all depends on the size of your actual firearm if you need a large or extra large. So I wanted the lock with the key. I didn't want a combination lock because God forbid I need to get into it quick, and if I can't think of new codes or anything like that. So I just wanted to get keys, and this is just a picture brochure that it comes with. Again, the down box, either a combination or with the lock, and I got the one with the key. Dun, dun, dun. And here it is. So the silica, here is an extra cable with it, so I can actually strap it down to something as I'm traveling. This is pretty good to have. Here's my keys and some hardware, and then I believe this looks like a good size. I'm hoping I don't need the extra large. This does look like the large, so I'm hoping it does fit. I'll probably do another video tomorrow with the actual firearm inside of the box to see how it fits, so you have to come back for that. But this is just, again, just a quick unboxing of the lock box, and yeah, the key works really good. It locked it. There is a little bit of a gap, actually. Did you just see? There's a gap here, right here, and actually a nice size gap. I mean, the key fits into it, so I don't know if that gap is for a purpose. Oh, maybe the gap is for the cable. Duh, Jennifer. Oh, no, well, no, that's for this. So I really don't like that part of it, that it has the gap on it. I mean, for the price I paid for it, I guess it's okay, but I really don't like that. Get rid of these scissors, rid of this, and I guess I would put the cable here, lock it, and then I can now put this cable with a different type of locking mechanism into maybe a desk, or again, since I'm putting this in my car, maybe to the bottom of the steering wheel, something in the trunk. Not sure. I don't think I'll be using this for my trip actually, but it's pretty good to have, so I'm actually glad I have that. And that's the safe itself. It has the foam in it on both sides to protect the firearm. So again, I'll probably do another video tomorrow with the actual firearm inside of the case to see how it looks. I bought this for, so I'm not sure which firearm I'm going to bring with me, but I'm going to try it with just one tomorrow with the firearm I think I am bringing with me onto my trip. So again, it looks very good. It's not heavy at all. So I'm assuming with my firearm in it, it'll be a little heavier, maybe up to 5 pounds. So let's see how that's going to work. But again, it's small. It can even fit into a purse. A woman with a nice size tote bag, this will fit right into it. This isn't that thick, not that tall. Again, I can definitely put this into my purse. It's smaller than my iPad, so I like that piece of it. But it's nice, it's sturdy, and it's going to get the job done, obviously, because again, I just don't want to have to deal with any type of legal issues as I'm crossing state lines with my firearm. So I want to be safe with that. I want to be compliant. Last thing I want to do is end up in some jail in a weird town because of it. So come back tomorrow, guys. Thanks for sticking with me for these few minutes, and tomorrow you will see what this baby looks like with the actual firearm in it. Again, I purchased a down box with the key lock. I believe this is size large, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow with the actual firearm in it. So again, here it is on the back, 2 ways to secure your product. It's either with a supplied cable or with some pre-drilled mounts and stuff like that. Again, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it so far, so that's a very good thing. And hopefully my firearm fits into the box, but that'll be a video for tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ask me some questions in the comments below. I'll get back to you, and I'll see you tomorrow for part 2. Thanks so much. Have a great night.